Hey everyone, so since it's starting to get cold now, I thought I'd show you how I put on this Jolly Jumper Sneak a Peek Arctic onto my car seat. My car seat here, it's a Peg Perego Primo Viaggio 435, and it's super easy to install. Now, if you're looking for something to cover your car seat, highly suggest the ones that just goes on top of the car seat so it doesn't mess around with the harness. It's not safe to put anything in your car seat that would mess around with the harness, that would go under the harness, because then that would compromise the safety of your baby when they're buckled in the car. So I'm just gonna show you how quickly and easy it actually is to put it on. I'm just gonna put this down a little. So pretty easy. Just put the handles all the way back. So just turn them all the way back. And this canopy here, there is a knob on the corner that's just inside here, and you just really have to pull it out. You just pull it out, and then you do the same thing on the other side. So this part here, with this round thing here, you just pull that out, and there's just a hook on the back, and it's just an elastic here that just hooks on. So this little thing here, so you just take that out, and you pretty much do the other side as well. And here you go. So now the canopy's out. We can now put on the cover. And it's pretty easy from this point on. You basically just, wrap it around. And this one's really good because it has a like a blanket inside already. So not just to flap the clothes over, but this one has the blanket as well. So you just make sure that it was in there properly. And this is what I mean by pick something that doesn't mess around with the straps. So as you see, we just put this on top of the car seat. So your straps here, we didn't do anything different. So when you put on your baby, it's basically just the car seat and the strap itself. There's some covers for the winter that you'd have to put the covers underneath the strap. I don't suggest that because, like I said, it does compromise the safety of the baby, because it makes it, you think it's tight enough, but it's actually looser than what it is. So now that we have that, here you go. Once again, this one here is a Jolly Jumper Sneak a Peek, and it's Arctic. So the difference between the one without the Arctic is just a blanket inside. And now you have the option, if you want to put the canopy back, you just have to, so this part here, you'll see the hole where we got it out. So you just have to put it on there, and you just have to do that on both sides. And they just kind of click. So you just push. Pretty easy. Here you go. And now the back part, just go back and here you go. And one last thing, that elastic that we had to unhook. So this part here, it just goes right behind. There's a little knob. It's gonna go closer. There's a little knob right here, here, and that's where you're gonna put it in. So you can see that. I'll show you the other side as well. So this elastic basically just goes right in this little part here. There you go. adjust it back up. Here you go. So now you have your winter cover for your baby that doesn't mess around with the straps.